Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the BodyHerbals Lavender and Vanilla Bath and Body Care gift set, a 6-piece 100% vegan luxury hamper, perfect for women, men, or couples, ideal for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, or any special celebration. It includes a lavender shower gel, facial mist, lavender and vanilla body massage oil, wooden massager, bath puff, and 2 tea lights all infused with calming lavender and warm vanilla scents. Let's see if it's a spa-worthy treat. First up, the packaging. It's stunning. Shipped by Pure Earth Enterprises on Amazon, it arrived in a chic brown box with a ribbon. Per Amazon, it's gift ready, and I agree, no wrapping needed. Starting with the lavender shower gel, 200 ml, I poured it onto the bath puff and it lathered into a rich foam. The lavender scent is soothing and not overpowering. Per web reviews, it's got skin conditioners and essential oils. My skin felt clean and hydrated. Amazon users love its calming effect. Next, the lavender facial mist, 100 ml. I spritzed it on my face post-shower and it's refreshing. It's pure lavender water per the site and feels like a spa treatment. My skin felt toned and dewy. The lavender and vanilla body massage oil, 100 ml, is a cold-pressed blend. I used it with the wooden massager, and it's divine. Per reviews, it's therapeutic and my muscles felt relaxed. The vanilla adds warmth to the scent. The bath puff is high quality, great for exfoliating. And the 2 tea lights set a serene mood. I lit them during my bath and felt pampered. This set's vegan, cruelty-free, SLS, and paraben-free with a skin-friendly pH 5.5. Clinically tested per Amazon. Not cheap but worth it for the quality. Ideal for gifting or self-care. Some reviews note the box's strong tape can tear the puff, so handle gently. Want more? Stay tuned for my next video with a spa routine. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think.